chapter tutorial for computer networks. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing the exams like GATE, UGC and so on. Today we're going to see the topic called transport layer and what is the already the OSI layers, the responsibilities, the main role of transport layer. Let's go for session today. Please kindly check the playlist whenever I have a sequence. So here the main role of transport layer is what? To provide the communication services directly to the application process running on different hosts. Let's see, I show the diagram also. Before see, moreover, the transport layer provides a logical communication between application processes running on different hosts. Moreover, the transport layer provides the service like end-to-end delivery, addressing reliable delivery, flow control, and followed by at last as well as multiplexing also. And moreover, the SNMP also playing the main role. And let's assume that there will be a different network is the network A and B. The network consists of a system like machine A1, A2, A3, A4, here B1, B2, B3, 4. Here now what is meant by reliability means here first major function of transport layer is end-to-end delivery. Let's assume that the A1 want to send the message to B1. That means what? Let's say real-time example. In your laptop you can using multiple app and communicating. Multiple tap and communicating. Here also A1 want to communicate with B1 means it needs support of some protocol like SNMP. Let's assume that the protocol number is 25 and B1. Not only B1, if they want to send and communicate with messages to B2, B3, BC also for 4, there will be a port number. Let's assume that port number called 120. So end-to-end delivery, whatever the sender sending the message, the receiver can receive properly from network A to network B very easily, and with the help of router and so on and so on. Then next one is reliability. Reliability means suppose whenever sender sending 4 messages, the receiver also receives the same 4 messages. And also it should be in order. Let's say if we send the message in the format of A and B, C, the receiver also have to receive the same format. Our example, let's say real-time example, I am typing the keyboard LIVE, same should be there, and after that I want to print, I can see the letters LIVE in the monitor, and I want to go for printout also. And moreover, reliability, the advantage is there is no loss of data. That's the advantage of using the reliability here. And error control, error control completely from the checksum mechanism. So whatever the message you are sending, without sending, check the checksum is there, calculator, and when without error it will go and send it. Here let's highlight the points here: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. So all the internet and all the activities based on the application only with support of some protocols, internet protocols. And next service provided by the TCP is congestion control. So as well as the flow control. Congestion control is not much important here, and flow control there will be a sender and receiver. Whenever the data send, how they sending properly and so on. And moreover, you can say flow control. If the receiver is overloaded with too much data, then receiver discard the packet and asking for the retransmit the packets. So it may reduce the overflow of the system. So flow control also should be monitored and rectified. That is important. And one more key term is that is called segment. Segment was already the messages and sending the packet 0101 whatever there. So make it a segment. There will be bulk of data will be there. Send a bulk of data. One data send one sender to the receiver. Bulk of data you can send. Another bulk of data you can send and so on. Atlas is supporting multiplexing as well as the demultiplexing. We need this means because to improve the transmission efficiency. Let's say example of there will be a different computer connected to the A1, A2, A3 and so on. They want to communicate the different computers like C1, C2, C3, everything possible, and they can transfer the data efficiently. That is done with the help of multiplexing. So remember, TCP transport layer is one of the important layer. Transport layer is an important layer where it provides a service like end-to-end delivery. So whatever the data sending, it to be ready and reliable delivery is supported by reliable delivery, flow control, multiplexing and so on. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly comment with the following social media. And thank you.